Hello and welcome to part 7 of the 8-part Mastering LabStar Case Entry video series. In this video, we will discuss remakes. To create a remake in LabStar, what you would do is you would go to the original case record and you would click the remake/adjustment button. If you do not see this button, be sure that this case is marked as complete and it has been shipped as well. Once you click this button, you will be taken to this form. This form will have the information pre-populated from the original case. You can change anything you want here. If you need to change the pen number, you would change that. Next, you have type. So type, this is just indicating whether or not, this is a remake or an adjustment. The main difference between these two is that it just gets split up into different reporting categories. Next, you have responsibility. Within responsibility, you are able to choose, who is at fault for this remake. You can say it is the client's fault. If you select client, it will automatically charge the client for the original cost of the case. If you want to, you have an optional adjust price slider that you can slide up and down. For example, if you wanted to charge this client 50% instead of the whole amount, you can change that here. We'll show you in the settings after this part on how to adjust that. Next, you have reasons. These reasons here are pre-built into the system, but you can also create your own as well. So if I were to scroll down here, you will be able to see I have Leroy's reason, which is customized by us. Once you have put in all the required information, you can select what tooth you would like. And from here, if you need to, you can add in designs and features as well. Once you've put in all that information, you can go ahead and click. Any remake or adjustment will have a red R or A on the top of the case record. Next, we will show you how to adjust your settings for your remakes. To get to your remake settings, you would go to Settings, General, and QC. Within QC, you have Remake Reasons, and this is where you can come to add or remove remake reasons. And you also have the optional Display Adjust Price slider in the remake pop-up. All remakes and adjustments are stored into their respective reports, which can be found in the Report Center, Case Management, and either the external adjustment or external remake report. Within this report, you do have 5 different tabs here. This main tab is just your remake log, in chronological order of all your remakes or your adjustments. You also have other tabs such as remakes per doctor, by item, by reason, or by responsibility. For example, if you wanted to take a look at the remakes by reason, you can click into this tab here and it'll break down all your reasons for you, show you your total remake percentage for that particular reason. And if you wanted to take a look at even more detail, you could open this up and you can explore here. We also have charts as well. So within these charts, you can see, it breaks it down by percentage, or if you go to the remake log, you can see here we have a remake chart, which just shows you remake units over time, or you can also view your anterior versus posterior report as well. So this will break down your anterior units versus your posterior units and give you a percentage as well as your total units for your anterior and posterior. Thank you, and this concludes part 7. You can find related links to articles in the LabStar Help Center. We encourage you to view all 8 videos to understand how to seamlessly integrate LabStar with your lab.